Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable the Do Not Track request in Chrome on your PC. Follow these simple steps to take control of your online privacy. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the browser window. Click on it to access the menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. Step 4. On the Settings page, scroll down and locate the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to expand the options. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, find the Third-Party Cookies option and click on it. Step 6. In the Third-Party Cookies settings, you will see the option to send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. Toggle the switch to the off position to disable this feature. By following these simple steps, you have successfully disabled the Do Not Track request in Chrome on your PC, giving you more control over your online privacy. Enjoy a more personalized browsing experience while keeping your information secure. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.